Hello and welcome to Northeast Media Hub, the fastest growing digital media platform. I am Adil Batukhar with the latest Hub news. Be informed, be alert. Police in Assam's Guwahati reportedly resorted to lathi charge to break a rally taken out by the AJP to protest against the unabated rise in prices of fuel and other essential commodities. The Assam Jatiya Parishad AJP on Thursday took out a massive rally in Guwahati demanding check in unabated rise in prices of essential commodities in Assam. Hundreds of AJP workers and supporters led by party president Lurin Jyoti Gogoi marched towards the Assam Raj Bhavan in Kharguli area from Guwahati Club. Senior AGP leaders Chitranjan Basumatri and Jagdeep Bhuyan also participated in the rally. The rally was stopped outside the Raj Bhavan after police set up barricades to prevent the AGP workers from entering the premises of governor's residence. A notorious drugs peddler has been injured and rearrested by the police in Assam's Nowgong district on Thursday morning. The drug supplier has been identified as Saijul Islam. Islam recently managed to get bail in a drugs peddling case. Saijul Islam hails from Batadrava in Nowgong district in Assam. Drugs worth over Rs 9 lakh and arms and ammunition were recovered from his possession after the encounter. Saijul Islam was shot in the leg by the police in the encounter. In a major relief to the common people, Assam Chief Minister Himanta Biswa Sarma on Thursday launched an online driving license renewal as well as duplicate license services. Launching the services, the Chief Minister hoped that it will save the time and energy of the people who need renewed driving licenses. The Chief Minister stated that after getting such a huge positive response from the people, the government has decided to launch these online driving license renewals and duplicate license issuing services. The Chief Minister also said that the people can apply for their driving licenses renewal in even another district apart from their home districts. Moving on, Tripura Congress on Thursday staged a Gana Dharna mass protest in Agartala over recent attacks on minorities in the state, demanding action against the perpetrators of the brutal attacks on minority community in Tripura. Birajit Sinha demanded the state government to rehabilitate the displaced minority families whose houses were burned down by activists of Vishwa Hindu Parishad during a rally at Panisagar in North Tripura district on Tuesday. The Supreme Court on Thursday dispelled the impression that it was against a particular group or community by banning firecrackers and said it cannot allow violation of rights of citizens under the guise of enjoyment. The Apex Court had earlier refused to impose a complete ban on sale of firecrackers and said that sale can happen through only licensed traders and that only green crackers can be sold. Online sale of firecrackers has been completely banned. The verdict had come in response to a plea seeking a ban on manufacturing and sale of firecrackers across the country to curb air pollution. 3 women farmers were killed and 2 others injured after a truck hit them near the Tikri border in Haryana's Bahadurgarh early Thursday. The accident took place at Pakora Chowk, where the women were waiting for an auto rickshaw to go to Bahadurgarh railway station. After participating in the farmers' protest against the centre's agri laws at the Tikri border, the truck driver fled from the spot after the accident. The deceased were identified as Chinder Kaur, age 60, Amarjit Kaur, age 58, and Gurmail Kaur, age 60. Hundreds of women have been participating in the ongoing farmers' protest on the outskirts of Delhi. Popular Hindi television actor Kamya Punjabi has officially entered into politics after she joined the Congress party. She joined the party in the presence of Mumbai Congress President Bhai Jagtap. Kamya is best known for her stint in TV shows such as Maryada Lekin Kab Tak and Shakti Astitva Ke Ehsaas Ki. She had also participated in the reality TV show Bigg Boss in 2013. Here is an important public announcement. Walk into any vaccination site on vaccination day and get vaccinated. No prior registration on CoWIN is required for vaccination. Don't forget to carry a valid ID card for registration during vaccination. For further details, updates, visit nhmmeghalaya.nic.in or call toll-free helpline 14410, issued in public interest by National Health Mission, Government of Meghalaya. For latest news and updates, follow us on www.hubnetwork.in. Download Hub News app in your mobile from Google Play Store and Apple App Store. For promotion and publicity, write to us at info@hubnetwork.in. Thank you. Kublesh Shibon, Mithela.